Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm back again with another video. Today is Thursday, October 24th, and I had all this stuff out. I didn't put anything away, and I sat down and made another Halloween ATC. Well, it's not an ATC; it's an altar playing card for Petty's open collaboration called hashtag Deck the Year, hosted by Penny's Crafty Creation here on YouTube. And I wanted to come on. Oh, did I do it upside down? Yes, I did. I hope I can. I don't know if I can stick it back on. There. Okay, because I saw the tab and I'm like, I think that's on the wrong side, and I put it. Anyway, so I punched out a whole bunch of these tabs, not tabs, but it's an old Stampin' Up label that I had in my stash, and I punched out a whole bunch of white ones, and because I wanted to label all my Deck the Year cards with, and I bought this punch. I have the whale tail punch. I guess that's what it's called. I don't know if I have it here. Here. I have this one, and I wanted this one. So I just bought this one online, and it's my newest punch. And as you can see, I put a tab on my card. So I continued with the Halloween theme. So I have this, I think I've used this many times on my ATCs or my altar playing cards, these little alphabets, and I spelled out October, well, not October, but for October, and then Halloween on the tab. And then I used this stamp set. This is from Target. It's a number set. And I haven't used it in a while, so I figured I'd bust that out. And I put 31, and then I punched out the circle with this circle punch from Paper Studio. I didn't have this size punch, and I bought this, I don't know, a couple years ago. I had these stickers in my stash. This is also from a Target sticker set that I've had in my stash forever. This is paper that I had on my desk. This orange and black polka dot I just tore the edges and inked it. I meant to ink this green piece. This is a green piece from was it from this piece? No. Was it from this piece? No. I don't know where I got this piece from. No. Oh, it's from this piece here. There. So these are double-sided sheets of paper, so you can mix and match, the papers, and they still go together. And I called it a day. Halloween, October 31st, with a skeleton. It's not too creepy, right? It might be. I stamped the date with, this is an old Heidi Swap, I think. I think this is a Heidi Swap stamp. What do you call stamp? Number, or, oh my gosh, date stamp. Oh, jeez. And I put week 43 on the back. So that is my Deck the Year for October 24th. Oh my gosh. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.